guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is gonna be a live update because I owe it to you guys. I know I get lost all the time and it is time to connect and share. First of all, I want to thank you for being an amazing part of my YouTube family. You guys have become friends. Honestly, you're my virtual family and I appreciate every like, every comment, and every message that I get from you when I disappear. Honestly, the world we're living has been, you already know, I don't have to say much, right? It's been different and things like that have been affecting me. So I didn't know if I wanted to keep sharing my life here on social media or just kind of quit social media in general. It was a very difficult time. I have been feeling certain way for a while now and I have been just praying about it, you guys. And honestly, I love sharing. I love coming in here, giving you ideas for your home, sharing my families, sharing what we do. That is just Katie, you know? But sometimes social media, it's not nice. And social media now, it's a very scary place, just like the world we're living, right? And you have to be very careful. So that being said, I'm just praying to God to get me out of this dark place that I've been feeling lately. So a quick little update. You guys know that I got laid off last year in July. I also recently got plastic surgery. If you follow me on Instagram, then you know what I'm talking about. I got breast reduction and new breast implants. I previously had implants and I thought about explanting for the longest time. And after I prayed about it, I came up with the decision that I was gonna do a breast reduction with new smaller implants, and I am very happy with the results and I cannot wait to share those with you. I am honestly like a month out. I think I'm like 6 weeks, 5 weeks by the time you're watching this video, so that's a good time. I'm feeling good. The surgery went really well. The results I got were exactly what I wanted, a smaller breast area, which it's amazing. The only little issue that I had during the surgery was that on the left side of my breast I was retaining a lot of liquid, but that is now resolved and everything is looking really good, so I'm very happy with that. Another update is that I am back to work. After 7 months being home, I am back to corporate America, you guys. And this time it's hitting a lot different. I was remote from home for the past 7 years and now I am in office. So it's so much different, and because I'm in a new role and I'm learning new things and building relationships, it's been very difficult when I get home to sit down and record because I am dead tired. For all the working moms, you know the feeling, right? When you get home, especially when you have a new job and you're trying to learn all these things, you're mentally and physically exhausted. And that's where I've been lately for the past month. So that being said, I'm gonna move now back into working mom, influencer mom, content creating, I don't know what you want to call it, but we're back and I am happy to be here. I just want to thank you all for your support and your love and for your patience, because I know sometimes I am not consistent when it comes to creating content for you guys, and that is one of my goals, and it's always been my goal to stay consistent. But it's hard sometimes, guys, you know, working, wife, mom life, content creation, it's hard. It's not as easy as you think, but I am giving it my all because I love my community and I enjoy sharing my life with you guys and my home. So that being said, can we start decorating for spring? Let's jump right into today's video, you guys. You guys, I cannot believe spring came so fast. Easter is almost here, so it is time for me to get my house ready for Easter hosting. If you know, you know that I always host a Easter extravaganza brunch with the family. So first thing first, let's get my front entry ready for my guests and for spring and Easter. Here I am putting this little stand that I got at Ross to start putting my bunnies that I got this year. They were in my office for almost a month and a half, you guys, or even more, I don't know. But they finally came out of the box and I am obsessed with them. I got them at Walmart. I mean, how beautiful are they? I also picked up this cute little outdoor florals from Amazon, and I picked up a bunch of them in different colors as well, but I'm going to be using the white ones here in this area.
Long for those quiet days when the hours drift away. Petals fall on the window pane as the clouds above float away.
This year for my front door, I decided to go with a pop of blue for the season. I love pastel colors when it comes to spring. Pinks, blue, purples, yellow, all those colors look so pretty in spring. But this year I went with blue. Last year I think I did pink. So here it is. I found this beautiful scallop looking doormat or rug at Ross, and also this one that says hop on in. And that one is so cute with the blue bunnies. It was also from Ross. And this beautiful wreath that you didn't have to do nothing to it. It came with the exact colors that I was using, the blue, the white, and the green was from Walmart. And here I'm just gonna add this egg that I had it from previous years, because you know you have to use your old decor and kind of move it from places to places, you guys. The economy is hard, you have to save, okay?
With a fading summer light.
I found these really pretty pillows with this beautiful baby blue and white color that were gonna go perfect for this area here. And I think it was like $20 or $22 for the both of them. And I'm gonna be adding them right here into my shares. Walmart, I also picked up this cute little inflatable bunny, and I think the kids are gonna love this. So I'm just gonna be adding it here right by the garden. And honestly, I still have to get some more plants to go in the front, but I'm gonna do that some other time. You probably see it in another video. But I love how he looks, and it says Happy Easter. I mean, how cute.
Morning comes with the early summer light.
Thanks a lot for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's video and that this video gives you some inspiration to decorate your home this spring season. Don't forget to come back to see the next video on how I'm getting this house ready for Easter hosting. See you on the next one. God bless.